Oh boy, we got one to talk about right now. Tell me if this is you, okay? All right, you're exhausted. You're spending every moment guzzling coffee because you just have to get this project done, and halfway through, you've just completely lost inspiration. You don't really care about it anymore, and honestly, you could probably stop whatever you're doing and not touch it again for months and be okay with that. That, my friend, is burnout. Believe it or not, all of us hit burnout one way or another, whether it's creatively or in a job, school, in general. And if you're anything like me, neurodivergent, ADHD, you start to ask yourself, what did I do wrong? Or what's wrong with me? Well, the simple truth is that nothing's actually wrong with you. It's just burnout. It's important to start recognizing what your burnout sign actually is. And if you're not sure, I can give you a great example. I'll tell you my telltale signs of when I'm hitting burnout. Okay, this is a little embarrassing. When I am creeping towards burnout, one of my major telltale signs is that I don't want to clean my office. And cleaning is not exactly the first thing on my list when I'm in burnout. I also do this really terrible thing where I go super recluse. I will not talk to people for days, and I will just completely drop off the face of the earth. It's like silence from my end. So I know that when my office is atrocious and I haven't talked to my friends in a couple days, I probably need a day off. So let me know what your burnout signs are, because honestly, everybody has different signs when they're heading towards burnout, and I'd love for you to share yours. And if you're looking for those tips, don't worry, they're on their way. So be sure to stick around for part 2.